Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore ActiveCampaign lead scoring for affiliate conversion, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore ActiveCampaign lead scoring for affiliate conversion, start by logging into your ActiveCampaign account. Navigate to the Contacts section in the main menu. Select lead scoring from the drop-down options. If you don't have an existing lead scoring model, click on Create Lead Score. Choose a name for your lead scoring model that fits your affiliate strategy. Define the scoring criteria based on user behavior that indicates interest in your affiliate products. Consider assigning points for actions such as email opens, link clicks, and website visits. Once the criteria are set, click Save to store your new lead scoring model. Now, move on to your contacts by returning to the Contacts section. Select a contact to analyze their current lead score. Check their activity history for any predefined scoring criteria you've implemented. If necessary, adjust the points manually for specific contacts based on their behavior. Next, create automated workflows designed to target leads with high scores. Focus these workflows on promoting relevant affiliate products or services. Use personalization features to customize communication based on individual lead scores. Make sure to monitor the lead scoring regularly to ensure its effectiveness. Analyze conversion rates to see how well your lead scoring is impacting affiliate sales. Adjust scoring criteria based on results and ongoing affiliate promotions. Regularly refresh and update your lead scoring model to keep it aligned with your evolving affiliate strategy. This will help maintain an effective system for assessing lead potential and driving conversions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.